Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this AI tools platform, which is SketchBubble. So to get started with the in-depth review about this AI automated presentation tools in 2025. SketchBubble AI has carved out as a strong position in 2025 as a smart presentation tools designed to save time, elevate professional slide creation. It combines a rich library of pre-designed templates with AI-powered customization features, allowing users to generate patch desk, business reports, infographics, and more within minimal effort. The interface is intuitive, and the slides are compatible with PowerPoint, Google Slide, and Keynote, making it versatile for teams and individuals alike. The AI assistants can quickly format content, suggest slide layout, and even generate visual elements based on the text input, which is a major productivity boost for marketers, educators, and consultants. However, SketchBubble AI isn't without limitation. While it excels in slide statistics and automation, it lacks real-time collaboration features and a deeper analytics that some competitors like Beautify AI or Tome AI offered. Also, the AI sometimes require manual tweaking or a align perfect with a brand voice or style. And here's a real conclusion about this AI platform. So if your goal is to create a stunning ready to use presentation fast, especially for business or educational use, SketchBubble AI is a top tier choice in 2025. Just be prepared to do a light editing to fully tailor the content to your specific need. And that's it. Hope you find the video a little bit helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews. Thanks.